Hello everyone, welcome to the channel Spoonful of Pleasure. Well, today I present you with an easy 30-minute recipe, stir-fried chicken with broccoli and mushrooms. You can easily make it a vegetarian dish. All you need to do is to skip the chicken. Let's start with the veggies. We'll use some broccoli, mushrooms, also with some carrots, onion, ginger, garlic and chili. I cut the broccoli into florets. I sliced the carrots and mushrooms. Diced the onions. You can roughly cut the chilies, but you definitely have to grate the garlic and ginger. You can use any other veggies if you like, and cut the veggies as per your choice. It's absolutely personal. We need to do some prep for the sauce and keep it aside. For that we need the grated ginger and garlic, some dark soy sauce, black pepper, jaggery, cornstarch and salt. You need to take some chicken stock. You can also take vegetable stock or simple warm water. We'll start with adding some salt in it. Followed by black pepper, some jaggery. You can also use brown sugar or honey if you want. Next goes cornstarch in a less dramatic way. Add the dark soy sauce and give it a mix. And then drop in the ginger and garlic. And here comes the star of the show, the chicken. It really goes well with the boneless chicken. You can either go with chicken breast, but I do prefer chicken whole leg or chicken thighs. They're tender and taste well. Debone the chicken, or if you have already got the boneless chicken, just cut it into small bite-sized pieces. I use the bones to make the chicken stock. Just put it in hot water and let it reduce to half. Before we forget, let's season the chicken with salt and pepper. Take a hot pan or wok and pour some olive oil or refined oil. Next goes the chicken. Spread it out and let it cook for a minute or two. Don't overcook the chicken. We want it tender and juicy. Fry till it's light golden and then keep it aside. On the same pan, same oil, let's fry some veggies. Don't worry if it looks overcrowded, these guys will shrink. Time for some serious tossing and stirring. Oops. Now that you can see the veggies are cooked and reduced, it's time to pour the sauce. Make sure you stir the sauce before pouring. goes! Let it cook for a few seconds. You can see the color changing. And the sauce gets thickened. Time to add the fried chicken. Give it a good mix. Make sure the sauce is well combined. We are pretty much done. Thank you for watching the video. Please like, share and subscribe and stay tuned for more videos. Thank you.